What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I put these mirrors on my car and why it probably wasn't a good idea. So first off, why did I change the mirrors? It's because this is what came on the car. This was the driver's side. This is what was on the passenger side. As you can see, there's no mirror on here. You can actually buy the replacement mirror, and I tried that and I stuck it on. A couple weeks later it just fell off. It wouldn't stick because this plastic on the inside is just so worn out. This was on the passenger side. There's really nothing I could do with this. I pretty much have to replace the whole mirror anyways. So you're probably asking then, why did I go with these mirrors if this is what the stock mirror looks like? These mirrors are actually off of a 1992 Nissan Sentra. And basically they were just the cheapest mirrors that I could find because I was not able to find the stock mirrors anymore. I was able to find a few of the stock mirrors on like eBay and other people just selling them online, but they're pretty expensive. I've seen some up to $200 per mirror. And then the second problem is because they're colored to match the car, I was never able to find one that was the same color. So I looked around to find what the cheapest mirrors I could use were, because I knew I was going to have to modify them to work, and this is what I found. This side actually looks a little bit better, maybe. So the little bolt pattern on the inside here is not the same as the stock mirror, and so what I had to do is I got a file and enlarged them and drilled out new holes and stuff to where this mirror would fit on here. So I put this mirror on first, which actually turned out to be a good idea because I found out some problems as I put it on. The first of which, when I lined the mirror up, I orientated it so that when I shut the door, the top would clear under this and just go right under here like it's supposed to. The problem I had, however, was this bolt here. I didn't realize until I was already almost done. It goes through the path of where this window goes up and down. So I ended up having to do a lot of filing work on this bolt itself. And now the window will go up and down, but you can tell as it goes up right where it hits that bolt. So I was able to avoid that on the other side, on the driver's side. Because I moved it a little bit on the driver's side, I had some different issues. So on the driver's side, I wanted to avoid the problem I had on the passenger side of this bolt going through where the window goes up and down. I was able to do that by scooting the whole mirror forward, but what happened is after I had it on, when I would shut the door, this top part right here would hit this and it would make it so I couldn't shut the door. And so what I ended up doing, as maybe you can tell, and which probably wasn't the best idea, is I just heated this up with a torch, and when it was hot I just bent it down a little bit, and now it looks like crap. But in reality the whole rest of the car kind of looks like crap, so yeah, maybe they just fit in, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I wish I could find some stock mirrors somewhere, and maybe eventually I'll try to make these a little bit better or replace them with something better, I don't know. If you want to see where this build goes, either for good or for bad, click my logo to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.